Hey guys, this is Second Genuine. So somebody leaked this video online and I don't think this device is legit just by looking at it, the box, the device. However, the accessories looks fine. So as you can see right there, the accessories, the charger, then OTG cable, everything looks fine. Except that the device, the backside, you can see that it looks something, unusual. It should cover up those boxes. So you can see there's too much of whiteness exposure. So usually you see that on a clone device. So if you want to know more about it, you can check it out on YouTube, replica device versus the original. So moving on, let's just play the video. So the device looks fine just like the original. However, it is not. It is basically a replica. But let us at least enjoy watching this video. And as you can see here, this also confirms that the phone is definitely a replica because of the sticker. Then you have 2.0 to USB-C and then OTG cable. Then you have charger and then some regular AKG headphones. So yeah guys, that's basically it. If you like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what kind of videos you want to see next, and peace out.